Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to delete file permanently from your flash drive in Windows laptop. So let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to bring out your USB flash drive, just like what you see right here. It might be any type of USB flash drive. So what we want to do now is to make sure you insert this particular USB port mount into your Windows PC. And for that, what you need to do is to go ahead and insert it just like so. So I'm going to simply locate USB port mount right here and insert it. So just like what you see right here, now it has been successfully inserted. Allow the file to pop up on your Windows screen. So just like what you see right here, the file is going to pump up. However, in some cases, when you insert your USB flash drive and the file does not pop up on your Windows PC, what you need to do is to locate the file. And for you to locate the file, simply click on this PC. Then when you click on this PC, you have to see the USB drive right here. So select on the drive, hit enter. Then every file you have on your USB flash drive here is going to pump up. Now here you can decide which of the file you want to permanently delete on your Windows PC. Let's say for instance I want to delete this particular file right here. So select on the file. Having select on the file, next thing you want to do here is to press Shift key on your Windows PC and delete key. Press the two at the same time and this is going to pump up right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on yes, and the file will be permanently deleted from your USB flash drive. You can delete as many as possible files with this particular method permanently on your USB flash drive in order to free up more storage space in your USB flash drive. However, when you are done with everything, the next thing to do is to see how you can safely remove your USB flash drive to avoid file corrupted in your USB. So for you to do that, simply go back to this PC, then right click on the USB drive and make sure you click on eject. And a message like this is going to pump up, save to remove hardware. What you want to do next is to simply remove your flash drive. Finally, cover the mouse bar. It's that simple. With that, your flash drive is saved and you have completely deleted whatever file you want to delete from your flash drive. It's that simple. For more tutorials like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.